Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Jeep Wrangler door handle. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx bit, a flathead screwdriver, and a new door handle. Having the right equipment makes the job much smoother. Make sure you're working in a well-lit space so you can clearly see all the components. This preparation will save you time and frustration during the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. This reveals the inner workings of the door. Next, you'll see two rods connected to the handle mechanism. Gently disconnect them. Finally, use your T20 Torx bit to unscrew the two screws that secure the handle to the door frame. Once these steps are complete, the old handle should come right out. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully position the new handle into its opening and secure it using the two T20 Torx screws. Ensure they are snug but do not over-tighten. Next, reattach the two rods to the new handle's mechanism, making sure they click firmly into place. Before replacing the door panel, test the handle's function to confirm it operates smoothly. To finish, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Give the new handle a few final tests to ensure it opens and closes properly. For long-term performance, consider regularly lubricating the moving parts of your door handles. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.